You all have been doing such a great job of reading rhythms. We're going to keep going and read some more today. Ooh, okay, just real quick, let's review. Let me get my pointer. All right, first, let's look at this note right here. What's the name of this note? A quarter note, that's right. And a quarter note, say it with me, is one sound on one beat. Good. And when we see a quarter note, we say ta. Very good. All right, what about this squiggly thing right here? What do we call that? A quarter rest. Good. And say it with me. A quarter rest is 0 sounds on one beat. When we do a quarter rest, we go like this. Woohoo! Is that right? No. Okay, let me think. We go cha-cha-cha. No? What do we do? Oh, we're silent because it's 0 sounds. Okay, let me see if I can do it. Okay, I think I got it. All right, and then what about this right here? These things that are paired together. What do we call those? A pair of eighth notes. And a pair of eighth notes, say it with me, 2 sounds on one beat. And when we see a pair of eighth notes in a pattern, what do we say? That's right, we say toddy. All right, let's read this whole pattern together. 1, 2, clap and say. Toddy, toddy, ta, toddy, ta. Good, let's do that one more time just to make sure our brains are warmed up and ready to go today. 1, 2, clap and say. Toddy, toddy, ta, toddy, ta. I did a thumbs up and I wasn't supposed to. Whoops. Okay, are you ready for our next pattern? Let's see what it is. I've never seen that before. Was that in our last pattern? Let's look. Oh, no, it wasn't in our last pattern. This must be a new note. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this new note. This new note, you tell me, how does it look different than the notes that we've had before? How does this note look different? You're right. It has an empty head. It's not colored in down here. It's got an empty head. There's nothing in there. So this note must be different, partly because it has an empty head and it looks different, but it also is a longer note. You ready for this? This note is 1 sound on 2 beats. That's long. And when we see this pattern, we go 2. Did you see what I did? Did I clap 2 times? No, 1 time. Did you see how I showed both parts of the beat? All right. So this pattern, I'll do it by myself and then I want you to join me. This pattern goes ta, ta. Well, I kind of didn't do it right. Let me try again. This pattern goes ta, ta. Even teachers make mistakes. Can you do this pattern with me? 1, 2, clap and say. Ta, ta. Oh, did you see my red dot show both parts of the beat? 2 beats, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. So even though there's nothing here, we're imagining that this note is all the way to here because that's how long the sound is. Ta, ta. All right, let's stick these notes into a pattern. You think we should know their name first? I think you're right. This is a half note. Can you say that? Half note. All right, let's stick our half note into some patterns. Ooh, we can do this. Here we go. Remember, this is ta. This is ta. 1, 2. Clap and say ta, ta, ta. Good. All right. Oh, we just flipped it around. 1, 2. Clap and say ta, ta, ta. Now, when you're clapping your half note, I want you to make your hands do what my little red dot is doing. So it starts here and it goes over a hill. Try it with me. Ta. Okay. Try it with my pointer. Ta. Good. That reminds us that it's one sound on 2 beats because I'm not going ta, ah. That's 2 sounds. That's just quarter notes. I want to show that that is a longer note. All right, let's see. Oh, there's not even a half note in this. This is easy peasy. 1, 2, clap and say ta, ta, ta. Good. No half notes here either. 1, 2, clap and say ta, ta, ta. Good job. Oh my goodness. Look, this has a half note, a quarter rest, and a quarter note. We can do it. 1, 2, clap and say ta, ta. Good job. Whoa, just flip this. This is easy. We can do it. 1, 2, clap and say ta, ta. Very nice. You think we could read this one backwards? So we're going to start here and go backwards. 1, 2, clap and say ta, ta. Good. All right. Oh, we just did that. We did it backwards. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, clap and say ta, ta. Good. Good job on these half notes. All right, let's do some more. 1, 2, clap and say ta, ta. Good. All right, let's see what happens next time. Good job with your rhythms today. Keep practicing.